Here, hold my hand.
Wow. The reason the climb is here. Climb, 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 climb.
Good job.
There's a lot of ducks today.
I want you to open this. We're going to feed the ducks. You want to help?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go all the way over there. The ducks are coming over.
Careful, remember, we don't get too close.
Oh, I thought I saw some raindrops. Do you?
Yeah. So mine just going on me and you and you. So mine
Yeah.
going on the bread. I just saw raindrops.
I think it's tadpoles. I just saw people jump.
It's weird. I don't see like rain clouds or anything.
I just saw raindrops.
They must. I wonder if they just put. I wonder if they just farm the pond and put more fish in it.
Here you go.
Because they come
Thank
or stocked
you.
it.
Little pieces, right?
Yeah, little pieces so we can have more bread.
Come on, Daddy.
Are you going over there where all the other people are?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. On the other side.
You don't want to steal the ducks away?
Ducks are so hungry.
Pick up the bag.
I want them to tell. I'm going to feed the duck.
All right, you can walk down here.
Oh, real goosies are here. Real goosies. Real goosies.
They're big, huh, Bella?
Yeah.
They're like the size of you. It's alright, Bella.
Now we can feed these ducks.
It's okay, Belle.
They won't hurt
You're going to hurt the cat.
you. The bread, they...
He needs some food. Let me try to get them.
Whoa.
Jeez.
He might scare you.
He might.
Yeah. You have to feed the ducks.